Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're in the community of Bridgeland, which is located in Cypress, Texas. Now the home that we're viewing is built by Taylor Morrison. It is called the 7431. Now this two-story beauty is a little under 5,000 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and it is in the low $700,000 range. Now, if you don't know about Bridgeland, you have to understand that Bridgeland is so large that it is going to be zoned to 3 different school districts. Those are going to be Cypress ISD, Katy ISD, and Waller ISD. Now, this home is going to be located in Waller ISD, and the schools are going to be Roberts Roads Elementary, Waller Junior High School, and Waller High School. Now remember to go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this home or if you have any other real estate questions. And if you don't know who I am, let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Enjoy the rest of this tour.
like to just rush it, so in control of my feelings. I never thought I'd fall in, but now I'm seeing that's over, cause I want you a bit closer through all the things I said. Let's just leave the past behind tonight. Don't be afraid of what this might become. Take me there, cause I'll go anywhere tonight, tonight. No one else, I don't need nothing else tonight. You're thinking, could've never picture you leaving. I never thought I'd say it. Everything I thought I knew doesn't even matter now in this moment. Do all the things I said I won't. Let's just leave